I had a near-death experience last week, and it got me thinking about something that I wanted to talk about. But before I go into it, I want to preface this by saying I'm fine, I'm okay. On the spectrum of possible outcomes of what could have happened to me, on the from being like not alive to where I am now, I'm on the pretty good end of it. Like we here, we good. Yeah, so don't worry about me. Like, yeah, it was traumatic emotionally and psychologically, but I'll be okay. And also, me saying that isn't to minimize other people who have dealt with that sort of trauma in the past or are right now or are dealing with some other sort of trauma because like mental and emotional stuff does matter, but just trying to like underscore or emphasize like I'm good. We're good. But I just want to provide that like context because it was a weird situation. It happened suddenly, and I functionally had three options, realistically. In retrospect, I would probably not be here right now if I took two out of the three options. I just had like a microsecond, like, to make a decision that I did, and I ended up okay. But it's existentially really scary to think about, and it helped me remember the importance of identity. And I just want to share this in case it like helps anybody else out there, not somebody going through something crazy right now. I mean, maybe it helps you if you are, but like just in general, right? Because I feel like life can take a lot out of us. There are a lot of regular demands and things that cause us to somewhat sideline our identity. And that could lead to life feeling less fulfilling, right? It's easier to have like regret in life and to feel like your life is less whole if you don't really center who you actually are inside, you know? And make that part of how you engage with the world. Because like it's easy for other identities to take over our lives, whether it be like your work identity or just something else. It's just, I don't know, it helped me revalue, I guess, and refocus on how important the parts of my identity that I kind of let go are. And, it might be worth just for yourself taking some time and just thinking, like, hey, who do I really want to be? What about me do I not get to like express in daily life because of how my life's set up, because it's kind of inconvenient? And do I want to change any of that just so I live my life and express myself in a way that I'm really proud of and that really feels like me, even if it feels a bit hard? Um, yeah, I don't know if that helped. Hopefully, it helps somebody out there. If you're interested in health, fitness, etc. type content that's like kind, non-judgmental, and just pretty chill, feel free to like check my page out and give me a follow if you're interested. I have plenty of other content on there. This isn't like my most common type of video as you can imagine, ideally, because I don't want this to happen to me all the time. But also, if you liked this video at all, drop a like on it, and I sincerely hope you have a great day.